cringe.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a face reveal and Jake will do it too. Here is my face. I know I'm hot. Now Jake is gonna do the face reveal. Jake, come.
Hi princess, what do you want?
Do a face reveal.
Okay. Here is my face.
And guys, don't go on CapCut, you will regret so much.
Girl, what the Oh no, cringe.
First things first, you got it going on. Smile on your face, really
cringe.
The world ain't a prison, girl, be free. I'm just saying you should show off that bikini body. Show it off, girl. Show it off.
My life, my rules, my style, my attitude. You love me or hate me, I don't care. But don't play with me.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read.
My name is Emily. The queen of gacha life. I will prove it to you. This is my wand. I can turn you into a frog.
Bow down to me, or I will make you.
I'm addicted to eating poop.
Oh no, cringe.
So I collect the poop out of public toilets. And I take it home in a plastic bag. When I get home I put googly eyes on them. And then I shape them into people. The ones that are not shaped good enough I pretend that they are being executed, and I eat them. While the poop googly eyes stare at me in satisfaction. I just couldn't.
I have 4 moods. Silly. Angie. and alpha.
Did I just steal my boyfriend's hoodie? Yeah. Is he gonna find out? Maybe. Is he ever gonna get it back? Nuh-uh.
Oh.
I'm still rocking your
Fighting's not that easy.
Oh no, cringe.
Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's
You want someone. Say you want someone. Said you want someone. I swear to God, this girl be tripping.
Girls farting in public. Ew, who was that? Girls farting in private.
Not the bang. Not the bang. Not the bang.
3, 2, 1, go!
OMG, Baba Girl, so cool, amazing. Baba Girl, you're amazing. Go Queen, amazing.
Don't touch my princesses. Здравствуй, опа, Новый год. Здравствуй, опа, Новый год.
Did you just grab my tail?
Oh, it's real?
Yes, it's real. Ew, she's ugly. Oh my god, she's hot. Oh my god, she's making up before my baba. Ugh.
What did you say, mother?
What did you say?
Shut the hell up.
Oh my god, my baba is waking up. Y'all slay. Mama. Oklahoma. Oh my god, baby girl. What? You changed that ugly one. Okay, baby girl. Swamp. Okay. Apple. Shark to the point of my skirt turns purple. Shark. Fart. I'm a pretty hat. Oh my god, too hot. Chaos. Now you rat.
Okay, mother. Just surprise me.
Okay. Shut the hell up. Dinner.
At home, baby. Hurry.
I'm going to work now. I'm going to work now.
Oh. Oh.
No.
What?
It's
Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal, criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
I need your love, I need your love, I need your love, I need your love.
I need your love, I need your time. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal, criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
To get revenge!
Baby, please take me back! Oh no, cringe!
I'm just saying you should show off that bikini body. Show it off, girl. Show it off. Get loose with it. That bikini body.
Hey, Italian man! Huh? Ah!
What is going on here? Oh! Can you guys shut the f*** up here? Jesus Christ, shut up! What is going on? What's you guys doing?
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep!